Ready, start. Apart from the protection and recovery of possession of plaintiff at the two floors, namely second floor and basement of the suit property, being plot number 11 at Simla Road, Patel Nagar, New Delhi, 224, plaintiff is entitled to the possession of complete security, namely the complete suit property, and for recovery of the mortgage money by recovery of the principal amount and interest thereupon at the rate of 4% per annum, apart from the cost, charges and expenses incurred by the plaintiff. Plaintiff is also entitled to get cancellation of the documents illegally and fraudulently executed by the defendants so as to defraud the plaintiff. As on date of filing the present suit, the amount due from the mortgage of the suit property, being plot number 11 at Simla Road, Patel Nagar, New Delhi, 224, is a total of rupees 65,000 along with interest at 4% per annum from 19/5/1998 till the date of realization. The beneficiaries / defendants but for defendant number 7 are jointly and severally liable to pay. That the cause of action for filing of the present suit arose on 8/9/2006 when the defendants started breaking the suit property, and after which present management of the company became aware of the fraud played upon by the defendants as detailed in para number 3 above. Prior to this wide order dated 11/3/2012, present management of the company took over after a long drawn litigation when the company law board passed a judgment in the case of Aarti Mehra and another versus Sri Ram Builders Private Limited and others in CP number 112 of 2013, wherein the validity of the agreement dated 19/5/1998 was upheld and Mr. Arun Mehra and his wife Mrs. Aarti Mehra were recognized as the shareholders. The cause of action is continuing. 1. So far as defendant number 6 is concerned, we find that without making any averments in the plaint regarding further transfer by the defendant numbers 2 to 4 in favor of the defendant number 6, in the prayer clause, the plaintiff has sought decree of declaration declaring the alienation dated 16/7/2010 through registered sale deed of the suit property in favor of the defendant numbers 6 Messrs Prem Enterprises as null and void. It is submitted by Mr. Devendra Singh, learned counsel for the plaintiff, that the transfer of the suit property in favor of the defendant numbers 2 to 4 and the defendant number 6 were collusive and fraudulent. The plaintiff makes an averment that the sale consideration allegedly paid by the defendant numbers 2 to 4 did not even come into the accounts of the company, and further that it was sold at an extremely low price, lending support to the plaintiff's case that it was fraudulent. The basic challenge on behalf of the plaintiff to the transactions rests on the contention that the conveyance deeds were illegal, null and void, and of an effect in the eyes of law, resulting in the deprivation the right of the plaintiff over the suit property. Pass a decree of permanent injunction over